Good afternoon, guys. This is Jeff with the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. If you've ever heard of the KODI software app, or maybe you felt confused, maybe you're a newbie and feel overwhelmed or unsure if it's even safe, or maybe you think it's illegal or legal, you're just in the right place. So today and moving forward, I'm breaking down KODI in plain English. No hypey tech talk, just simple, plain solutions of what it is and what it isn't. So let's jump in. Hey, welcome back, guys. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content, if this is your second, third, or fourth time to the channel, and you find that this video series or video is good and maybe you can share it, I really appreciate it. It helps me bring more content to newbies who start to stream. Now, here's the biggest mistake as we jump into the video that people make with KODI. They think it might be a streaming service. Well, it's not. They think it might be Netflix or something. No, it's not. And once you understand that, everything starts to make sense. So what I want to do to introduce what KODI is, I'm going to go to this browser here, and then I'm going to go right to the KODI.tv. So this is their official website. KODI is an open sourced media player that can host and help you organize all of your media. So whether you have a hard drive or a server with movies, TV shows, music, it actually does it all. So since it's a media player platform, think of it like an empty TV dashboard that you control. By itself, it doesn't do much. It doesn't come with movies, TV shows, or live channels. It's simply the software that lets you organize and play your media. So it's similar to our smartphones, whether Apple or Android. Your phone doesn't come with everything installed. You add the apps to it that you like. So KODI works the same way. What KODI is not, it's not Netflix, it's not a cable TV, and it's not a magic app where everything is free and built in. So when people install this great media player, they see a blank screen, they may think something's wrong. Nothing went wrong. This is exactly where we want everyone to be. So as you can see here, you can have, it tells you exactly what it is. You got as I move down, sorry, got to let this come through here. Hang on. And I wanted to go directly to their website so you can see what's there. So if you have smart TV, this is what it does. You got your music, you got your movies, your TV shows. This is just a media player. It puts all of your content in a playable platform. You can do games on here. You can do photos, videos. There's so much here. And it runs on just about everything, whether it be Linux, Windows, Android, Raspberry Pi, Mac OS, iOS, tvOS. It has everything you're looking for from, they give you the scheduled maintenance, but there's different add-ons and there's different things that you can do with this platform that make it very, very powerful. Now, why people get confused? People get confused because they listen to a lot of bad information. I don't give all the best information, but I try not to give bad information. So you'll see videos promising one-click everything, and usually leads to broken setups and people getting buffering and they're getting frustrated. So the goal for this video series is I want people to understand KODI so it's not a struggle, because it's fun to mess with, it's fun to play with, and it's fun to learn because it just plays all of my media. So here's one of the main reasons why people love KODI. It's popular because you can customize it. It's powerful because it's flexible. It lets you decide what you want to watch, when you want to watch. It also lets you decide how simple you want to set it up or how advanced you want to set it up. So I wanted to make this video just to give you an understanding of what KODI is, what KODI isn't. So as we continue this series, you're going to see as we're going to grow and learn some different things. So if this video already cleared up some confusion for you, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It helps me attract more beginners like yourself or people who can find this video. So in my next video, I'll show you how to install KODI the right way, step by step, so you don't risk any junk on your device. We'll see you in the next video.